In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new website on Wix with a different template and transfer your existing content to it. This process is necessary because Wix doesn't allow you to switch templates on a live site directly. So let's get started by exploring how to do this efficiently. First, you'll want to log into your Wix account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard where you can manage all your current sites. Here, you'll see an option to create a new site. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to select what type of website you would like to create. This step helps Wix provide you with tailored options that suit your needs best. Now, it's template browsing time. Wix has a vast library of beautifully designed templates categorized under different sectors like business, photography, online stores, and more. Spend some time browsing through these categories until you find a template that aligns perfectly with your new site's vision. Don't rush this part. It's the foundation for the look and feel of your entire site. Once you find the right template, select it to start building your new site. Once you've selected your template, Wix will open it up in the editor. At this point, it's important to remember that you can fully customize each template to better fit your brand. Feel free to alter text styles, color schemes, and layout as needed. Take your time to make adjustments that reflect your brand identity and provide a great user experience. With your new template set up and looking just right, it's time to transfer the content. Head back to your original site. Here, you'll have to manually copy the content you wish to keep, like text, images, and other media. This might be a bit of a tedious process, but it's vital for ensuring you get everything exactly as you want it. Now go back to your new site's editor and paste your content into the appropriate sections. Be sure to maintain the structure and formatting you desire for a coherent and visually appealing presentation. As you do this, take advantage of Wix's editing tools to refine and enhance your content as necessary. Once all your content is neatly placed in your new template, it's crucial to preview your site thoroughly. Click on the preview button to see how your site will look on both desktop and mobile devices. This step is essential for making sure everything is in place and functions correctly. Adjust anything that doesn't seem right before making your site live. Finally, when you're happy with how everything looks and works, publish your new website. It is now live for the world to see, with a fresh design and all the original content you wanted to carry over. And that's it! You've successfully moved your content into a fresh template on Wix. Remember, while Wix doesn't offer an option to switch templates directly on a live site,